Hey guys, what's up? This is Krishna Era. Today we're going to talk about an interesting product. There are a lot of questions from people that know what is the best mic to use to record YouTube videos. For all the big nerds who are there watching this video. In the beginning, you really can't afford to buy mics like Rode or the costlier ones, which are 5K, 10K. So the best one I suggest to make in videos. Even if you ask me, even I don't have the best one till now. That's the reason why you see I'm still using these wired ones that comes with your iPhones. So finally, even I managed to buy a simple microphone, and today we're going to talk about that product, which is Boya BY M1. So out of all the research I've done, I found that this is very economical one and the best one to make your YouTube videos. So let's see what features it has, and let's do unboxing. So here you go, Boya BY M1 lavalier microphone for recording your YouTube videos. So let's see, let's unbox and see what's there inside. So this one is coming along with a nice leather cover, which is a black one, and what you have inside is the microphone with an extra cable which is around 20 feet, which is very convenient when you're recording videos sitting a little distance there. So there are some small ones which are inside. Let's see what are those. So you have a jack which can be used for the bigger ones, and you have a little sponge where it reduces the noise, and you have one battery and also a label pin, so which can be just plugged to your shirt, whatever you're wearing. So yeah, so these are some of the things that are coming inside. So let's see what each one does over here. So this one, if you actually carefully see, this is an on-off button, and there is a small button which is given over here, and you need to just put this up if you're using it for cameras. You just need to put it down if you're using smartphones or other devices. So you just need to open this up first. So where we just need to plug in your battery here. Just need to plug in like this, and then yeah, so that's about it. And this wire will be comfortably can be used for around 20 feet distance when you're recording your videos with where your selfies, or while you're walking, or you want to keep it somewhere and then talk about it. So this really comes very handy, and I like this one very much. The best part is that, and there you have one pin where you can just plug into your, just like this, and then you just need to plug in to your shirt. So yeah, so that's how you just need to do it. Very simple. So you just put this up. Yeah, so there you go. So this is your Boya BY M1 microphone with all the kit. So let's start using it.
Hey guys, I'm back. So you've seen the unboxing of Boya microphone. Now let's test it out and see the performance of the microphone. So if you actually observe the audio quality of my introduction and also the unboxing part, you can really compare the audio quality. This has more bass, it has more quality sound than the audio quality that is coming out from the wide ones which I was using, that comes along with your iPhone. So that also it's not bad for the beginners, but if you want a good quality audio for your videos and you want your videos to look really professional, then this is the mic that you need to use for your YouTube videos. This looks professional, rather than when you compare the wide ones that are hanging from your ears, that gives a lot of it doesn't give that much impact for your videos. But this really looks very professional, and also the audio quality is really superb. You also get a lot of similar microphones which cost around $200-300 in Amazon, but I really don't suggest those, because those really doesn't cut a lot of these noises, and it doesn't give that audio quality. So for the ones who wants to buy these, I'll give the link in the description. Maybe you can just go through Amazon, and then you can buy it from there. So that's about it. That's what I want to tell you guys. So see you again next week.